First question, tingin nyo ba may ano ni Roy Kirk?
Yeah, of course. I don't know what to say, no, but I'm very happy. I'm so proud of my boys. You saw it naman. It's, I think 8 points already. 9 actually. Thank you, 9 pala. But yun, nakita ko yung heart ng mga bata. They want to win. You know, it's been 2 years already. I think it's about time naman. Yun. I don't know what to say. I'm so happy.
Coach, coaching career na ba? Is this one of the biggest comebacks of your coaching career?
I think so. To start talaga, we started flat kanina. I told the boys to start aggressive right away because of, you know, Ateneo, they're a half-court team. They love posting up. Fortunately, hindi kami nag-start ng maganda. Okay.
Very close game.
Yeah, very close game.
Coach, you were winning by 4 points?
He played well, no big shot, but of course si Oda Campos, no. He made the difference there kanina. I wanted talaga kanina na mag-gamble na ako, but yun, siguro galing din kay God.